best friend Shruti Boma. You've heard me mention her on my second video, so I'm gonna link that down, so go check it out. So yeah, so we went shopping and we went a little crazy. Just a little. So we went shopping, we went a little crazy, we bought some beauty stuff, some clothing, and yeah, that's about it. So let's get right into it, and I'm gonna let Shruti take it from here.
So, first thing to show is Miss Claire Kajal, which we got today. This is how it looks like.
That's the swatch of it. Curtis merchant for this. It does not smudge.
It does not smudge. It's 18 hours stay, waterproof. So it's amazing. I'm actually using that now.
On the waterline, I did that.
Next thing is by BOV. It's an eyeliner. I like the packing of it. It's very nice. And bottle looks like this. It is 20 hours stay eyeliner.
She has it on right now. I'm gonna let her finish everything.
Streetwear, adorable.
That was my review.
That's because of her review, and I actually use the product. It's amazing. It's my amazing, not Shine's amazing. It's actually amazing, and I'm actually using that now also. Basically, she did my makeup, and I don't actually do makeup or use more of beauty products, but my bestie did it for me, so I have to accept it. She did it pretty well. In fact, it's amazing because you can see I look completely different.
I'm gonna put a before picture. You should look at it. You're gonna get scared.
And the last one is, sorry, not the last one, third last one is this tan clear fairness soap, which me and Rinku got it today. Rinku is another friend of us, so we got it today, and it says that it will remove tan. So let's see.
can do another review on that.
I'll use and I'll let my bestie know about it, and she can help you out with the review.
She can come and do the review herself, girlfriend. Be my help. Be my
Thank you.
guest.
So that's all for the cosmetics.
You had a scrunchie to show. You forgot about it as well. Scrunchie. This is the second time we're shooting because the first time that we did I didn't like it, so we're gonna shoot it again.
So even we got this hair elastics. I have long hair, so
She has pretty long hair and I can make a mustache out of it. Anyhow, enough of craziness. So what I got is the same thing. I got the same eyeliner from BOV. I love the packaging. I think everybody should purchase this because it works amazingly. And the brush, did you show the brush?
no, I didn't.
Okay. Let me show you the tip of the brush. It has, you have more control over the product. I got it on me. You get more control on the product when you're trying to use these type of brushes. You know where exactly to put the product and how the line will turn out to be. And this stays for pretty long. It says this is again 18 to 20 hours stay.
It's actually good, the brush, because as I told you, I don't use cosmetics much, but I was able to put this eyeliner on Rinku, because not me, because she actually did my makeup. So
okay, stop saying that. Okay, so the price for this is worth 68, and I think it's pretty affordable with comparative to other prices that we get for Lakme and other products. So it's the same. So again, the same thing. I got the same Miss Claire's Party Black eyeliner. This is for $250, I believe, and we got it for a discount of $225. So when you go shopping, yep. And the next thing that I got is the Maybelline's Cheeky Glow in the shade Peachy Sweet. This is again a new blush which I got. I've been looking for this blush for all over. So finally I got this. And then the next thing that I got is Olay Total Effects. No, Olay is not only for old people, it's also for people who are trying to make their skin look nice.
auntie.
No, not an auntie, just trying to get my skin clear. What are you talking about? You just used this before the makeup.
I
So
used it
shush.
because she actually insisted me to use it.
Whatevs. So this is one that I got, and the second thing which I have is the Maybelline Dream Lumini Touch. This is a highlighting concealer. You can use this to control your, to hide your spots and to highlight any of the areas. The areas which we usually highlight is the T-zone and your Cupid's bow and your under the chin. So yep, and another thing which I have for you guys is this Miss Claire's Professional Mineral Blush set. It's so difficult for me to open it.
So amazing.
So the shades for these shades are only for people who are a bit dusky like I am, and so is Boma. So these shades are pretty good for that. I'm trying to hide the camera, but oh well. So these shades are for people who are in darker shades, and you can use this as an eyeshadow as well, or as a blusher or in highlighter, because I would definitely use this for blush area and also for highlighting my eyebrows. So that's something nice, and I dropped the flip cover. Anywho, so the next thing that I got, she also used it, I used it, so this is an impression review again. So what we got is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Professional Shampoo. So this is what it looks like, and I've used this. People, if you have curly hair, damaged hair, coarse hair, use it. No, not long hair, I have short hair. So.
No, even wavy hair.
So even wavy hair, use it. So now the next thing that I got is the Lux Magical Spell, and this is a body wash, and it smells amazing. I think we should ban soaps in India, and we should start using face wash and body wash and leg wash, hand wash, everything. Yes, we do have some other washes as well. So that's that, and then we went clothes shopping. So can you show my clothes?
Sure. So
So I think that's about it to the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna zoom it in for Boma's makeup tutorial. I might actually do a makeup tutorial because I haven't done that for a long time, and there are a lot of reviews that I've been doing because I've been buying a lot of stuff lately. So yep, so zoom in, Boma.